Hello everyone, so today we will learn the sentence of make sense in Chinese. What's the meaning of make sense? It makes sense. It makes sense now, how to say and write it in Chinese, and I will also give you a sentence, example sentence to fully understand this sentence. Okay, now let's move to my pad. Okay, now welcome to my pad. First I will write it in English. It makes sense now, which means in Chinese 明白了 明白了 and also 原来如此啊明白了原来如此啊 It makes sense now which means 现在 you can say 现在明白了 now which means now 明白了原来如此啊 Okay, I'll write it in 拼音现在 which means now 现在 which means now 明白了明白了 It makes sense now So I will give you an example in more details. She dressed so beautifully to go on a blind date. Then it makes sense now. So understand, it makes sense now. She dressed so beautifully to go on a blind date. The meaning is 她打扮得很漂亮去相亲 So she dressed so beautifully to go on a blind date. 她打扮得很漂亮去相亲 Okay, so practice makes perfect. See you next time. Bye bye.